Like, is it?
Bro, anything to say for
033
musicians? How to make it? Wait, am I recording? Musicians.
Far from making it, but play truthful music and be a freaking performer.
The fuck? What up, guys? Nafarrete here. Guys, my sister just sent me this. This regular guy figured out the secret to selling money online as he wears a Thunder Mifflin shirt. Like, I have no idea who this guy is. Oh, this is a brand talking about it. Could be sponsored. I have no idea what this post is, but I want to talk about that. I want to talk about yesterday. Dang it. I wish I had like an easy way to mount. I've explained before why I wear sunglasses. I have really bright lights and it kind of hurts my eyes, so I just wear my shades. So every morning I go started to quit my job so I could have more autonomy. I figured a nice thing to do would be to just spend every morning with my girlfriend who's still working corporate and be very in the moment and detached from all the work, quote unquote, that I want to do, have to do, I'm doing to grow my business. So that's one of the best things I would say once you start realizing that you could, not feel so pressured to work all the time. So you know how I told you guys on Toggle that you guys can, I call it coffee break mornings and I put it under date nights. That's just my 2 cents on how to do it. Guys, yesterday, really cool content that you're gonna see right now. I watched Shark Tank for the first time. It was amazing.
Shark Tank.
I have some cool stuff to share there about SEO, about people's, opinions on your product. There was a really cool guy whose brother had passed away and he had done a koozie type raid umbrella thing, sold for over $2 million. Everyone hated it. Don't believe the haters. Second, let me pour some coffee. Boom, boom. After that, I went to Smith's Old Bar and I saw a cool band. 3 bands played. I only saw the last 2. Brought the camera, vlogged some content there. I'm going to tell you guys how to make it as an artist, as an entrepreneur, and how you should have this particular mindset that's helping me to showcase to you guys what is at stake and the possibilities that can be done. Let me give you a hint. If you don't want to watch the rest of the video, it will always be trend stacking and adding on work. There will be no way to get out of not doing work. So I think a cool thing I want to show here for you guys with this content that is up here. I did this a very long time ago. You already know how to be great. One of my friends, Andrew Olson, recommended this to me as a book that he read, as now he's the shooting coach for the Cleveland Cavaliers. You should follow him on Instagram. He's a pretty cool guy. If you guys are in the basketball space, I recommend you follow him. I do a book club and I used to do this. So it's faith, fire, focus, perform, and accountability. So that's my 2 cents for you guys is as I walk over to my home office. Yeah, guys, you may have seen my content before. It's probably not as well lit. That's the TV I've used for my book club. And yeah, I just work from my room every day until I go out at night. And so now it is time to edit in the Bat Cave. I'll see you guys next time. Or this is my intro. So what am I gonna say? Flip, play the music. Blah, 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 blah. Now, I think Reddit is just an untapped market, guys. So I just went on Vlog. Oh God, I've been doing it wrong. It's Vblog. Jesus, someone was telling me that. I hope this is the right subreddit. Oh yeah, it is. Oh God, I keep saying Vblogging. It's Vlogging. I'm so bad, guys. There's one called Entrepreneur. Let me put this tripod down. Entrepreneur. Look at my hands, guys. It's Vblog. So this is how to promote my own YouTube. Another thing I want to point out, dude, who did I reach out to? Thank you very much for the detailed response. Oh yeah, right here. Okay, so this guy, right? So his name is Anthony, and he doesn't have a website. I just told him what to do, and he left me feedback. So one thing I don't like about this omnidirection mic that I've been using for my content is when I speak from behind and I record content like this, like when I turn my mouth this way, I don't know if the audio gets picked up. But let me talk right to the mic, guys. Basically, yeah, don't sleep on all social media, right? Reddit is, in my opinion, where all the memes come from, and everyone just reposts it. But if you're on all social networks and you know how to connect with people, don't be afraid of something that you saw as one thing be a business opportunity the next time. So basically what I'm saying is, like, most people, when I first started Reddit, I came from Dig, and it was just like, oh, let me find funny content. And now it's like, whoa, like there's all these subreddits and small niches that you could basically use and leverage to connect with people. Right? So people on entrepreneurship are looking for help. People on vlogging, I said it right this time, are posting their content. Yeah, there's just no, like, just keep going, guys. Like, that's my best advice to you guys, is like, use Reddit for what it is, use Instagram for what it is. Right, so I got I've shown content. Did I show you guys this? I don't know if I recorded this yet. Let me put the tripod down. Oh god, I'm still sick, guys. Voice sounds like Batman. Dude, here's one, right? Okay, so this guy, his name's Alpha Slice. Dude, he has 9,000 followers on Instagram, and my roommate is in nursing school and was looking at his YouTube videos today, and I had already scheduled a meeting with him next week. His name is Mohammed. Check it out here. So I got it scheduled. This is my week right now, right here. That's scheduled on with Nafarrete. I click that link, info@alphaslice.com. Right, so I thought that was really cool because I've been in networks with him before, and then when I saw, to me, I just think everything is like confirmation at this point. There's someone else I want to mention on my other. This guy reached out to me. I believe it's from Jordan Lawley, but my customer acquisition model isn't from Instagram. It's hard to really tell because Jordan Lawley gave me a shout out. This guy's name is Prime Impact Basketball. He has 103 followers. I don't know if that's coming in the screen or not. But I showed you guys before, if I haven't put it on the vlog, how I connected with Lethal Shooter. He gave me a shout out on his live stream. He has 1 million followers.
I think I should train, and I'm gonna come to your page and like every content. Okay, that's all you got.
Done. Okay, so basically, guys, I felt like recording this because I did my blog just so I get some straight congruence with you guys as he continues to look at content.
Yo, this guy on his live said, I had a beer, so let's go, Mike, talk today. Yes, sir.
That's me.
I see you, Alan Neffa. I see you on your page.
That's me, dog.
This is where you guys for the digital basketball ballers group.
Yo, so this guy's looking at my content now. This is actually better. I did not know he would.
I'm on your page.
He's on my page. That's actually funny. So you guys. So this guy reached out to me. He doesn't have a website too, right? So that's a lot of ways that you can monetize that, make business. Especially with when I came from with like helping dentists. Like if I could help dentists crush it, I believe I could help 100,000 follower basketball crush it as well. So that's what I'm doing in my digital marketing ballers group. It's literally just meant to help basketball trainers. And then I'm waiting for my girlfriend and my parents to come into town. So I just wanted to record this quick content for you guys because I think every chance is an opportunity to crush it. When did I reach out to Lethal Shooter? I think I did that on my personal one, right? So I manage Alan Naffa, and then I manage my business as well. Lethal Shooter. Right, so yeah, I sent him a DM, and then he also, if you check his link, oh, he doesn't have 1 million followers. He only has 8.15. But he did a live one time, and he's really great. He was here in Atlanta, so this post right here is when I reached out to him. So if I do this vlog update right, I can show you guys when he gave me a shout out on his live stream. And that's it, guys. So, you know, to me, it's just like, dude, digital marketing has allowed me to reach out and market towards people that I want to market towards, right? Like, not that anything, I have nothing to hold against dentists, chiropractors, all that stuff. I've helped them all before. My mom's a doctor, and so that's, I have that affinity towards healthcare. But for me, it's like, dude, I like basketball better. I mean, it is healthcare in an instance, so that's my 2 cents. What's it called? It's still going out there. Shark Tank. And yeah, guys, it's like, it's awesome because a lot of people think that you really need a huge following, but all you really need to do is go deep into your following and serve the people that are already connected with you already. So yeah, I'm gonna have dinner now later on, and yeah, however I use this content.
The world was your mind, but I spent a lot of time and effort on me and you, on us together. In my head, just knowing that you walked away. So give me a notice, you know this is supposedly the best thing that could happen to a young girl like me. Nice to see you again. So far it's been the best night in a while, and it's only 10:30. These desperate times search far and wide, only to find the light I was looking for in your eyes. But I'll still take you home, lathered in clothes and blue moonlight. Not thinking ahead. Dear to my heart, and
No. Yo, check it, guys.
Years
That
ago,
dude over there is like D-Rock. He's like D-Rock from Gary Vee. And that's my sister.
The circle was
And
getting
Michelle
closer
just
and
told me
closer.
to get the cowboy hat.
I just didn't really have time to cope properly with losing people.
That's it, guys.
And I feel like we're really good.
We're gonna go meet the organizer.
Don't be afraid. Say hi to strangers, network, and say hello.
I'm V-blogging you now.
Right.
This is your V-blog.
I'm V-blogging you, V-blogging me, V-blogging you.
My God, the meta. The meta is real.
Hi, Liz. Hey,
I want to introduce you to...
Hi, my name's Nafarrete.
Hey,
Nice to meet you.
Alan. So nice to meet you.
I'm Chris.
We're both videographers, but we wanted to
I'm
see
video blogging this guy.
if we could help you in the future, but also how do we get on one of the considered a bullet performer?
The card on
I got one of your cards. Okay. Yeah, I'll be able to send you some of the stuff that we've done in the studio, but I would love to...
Just let me know that you're like doing that. Here's coming. So it's been really nice.
Great show.
I did. I like the artist
Can you
too.
share for his blog any knowledge that you would give to others who are also seeking to pursue the arts?
Okay, so the main thing is just like don't give up, do what you love, and find people that believe in what you do. That's like the bottom line, and you'll be good.
And the right
Awesome,
people cross
thank
your
you.
path.
Yeah.
And please throw the hand into the camera lens. Musicians, how to make it. Wait, am I recording? Musicians.
Far from making it, but play
No, you
truthful
made it.
music and be a freaking performer when you get on stage. Practice at home, perform on stage.
Let's go! How long you been playing for? 10 years!
Stop me getting hold of Amelia Jean, just wait the fire track. I drove down 84 from Great Boy Holly. I'm out of sunroof with Texas. Oh my gosh, I need to have auto scroll. Alright, let me restart the fucking thing with auto scroll. Let me turn this thing up like this. It's kind of too fast. Hit that smack because I messed up. Go! Amelia Jean, be a good little soldier, Joe down Richmond with you. Love my back, chasing trains. Won't stop getting older, Amelia, won't you wait me by the train? Buddy Holly.